In this video, I'll show you how to access to the temperature data of your Eco.Max because it has a built-in temperature sensor and you can get this information different ways, and you can also use it to automate certain things. For say, let's say in the room it's getting too warm, where you can say that if it's getting above a certain degree, well, this should happen. Maybe the thermostat, if you have a smart one, can lower itself. Anyway, let's get started. So the first and easiest way to simply get the temperature is to ask it to the device itself. So Alexa, what's the ambient temperature?
The garage temperature is 21.1 degrees.
Obviously, this is in Celsius. You can change this in Fahrenheit if you're in the US using the app. Now, if you take the Alexa app that you have connected your device, you can simply go into your devices down below. And then you should find your Eco.Max, tap on it. And then if you tap on temperature right over here, you'll have the live temperature. So over here is 70. It's in Fahrenheit on the app because I changed it. And you can also see today the average temperature and a small graphic. Now this Alexa wasn't powered on for the whole day, so that's why you don't see any data on my screen right now. But overall, this is how you get. And if you want to do, as I said, a routine, create a routine, set up a routine based on the temperature. Tap over here and you'll be able to do it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.